What is the meaning of the word court? As a noun, an assembly including one or more judges to conduct judicial business. A room in which a law court sits. The sovereign and his advisors, who are the governing power of a state. A specially marked horizontal area within which a game is played. Australian woman tennis player who won many major championships, born in 1947. The family and retinue of a sovereign or prince. A tribunal that is presided over by a magistrate or by one or more judges who administer justice according to the laws. The residence of a sovereign or nobleman. An area wholly or partly surrounded by walls or buildings. Respectful deference. Examples of use. Television cameras were admitted in the courtroom. Players had to reserve a court in advance. The king will visit the duke's court. As a verb. Engaged in social activities leading to marriage. Examples of use. We were courting for over 10 years. Court is spelled C-O-U-R-T. Court.